Hello everyone, my name is Lakshman Murlidhar Vilewar. Today's topic is collection, set, map and list. So first set, the set interface is present in Java util package and extends the collection interface. It is an unordered collection of objects in which duplicate values cannot be stored. It is an interface that implements the mathematical set. This interface contains the methods inherited from the collection interface and adds a feature that restricts the insertion of the duplicate elements. There are two interfaces that extend the set implementation, namely sorted set and navigational set. Creating set objects. Set is an interface. Objects cannot be created of the type set. We always need a class that extends this list in order to create an object. And also after the introduction of generics in Java, it is possible to restrict the type of object that can be stored in the set. This type set can be defined as classes that implement the set interface in Java collection can be easily perceived from the image below as follows. First is hash set, then linked hash set, then tree set. First hash set class, which is implemented in the collection framework, is an inherent implementation of the hash table data structure. Then second is a linked hash set. Linked hash set class, which is implemented in the collection framework, is an order version of hash set that maintain a doubly linked list across all elements. Then tree set class, which is implemented in the collection framework and implementation of the sorted set interface and sorted set extends. Then what is method and their description. First method is add. This method is used to add a specific element to this set. Then second is add all. This method is used to append all of the element from the mentioned collection to the existing set. Then clear. This method is used to remove all the elements from the set but not delete the sets. Then contains. This method is used to check whether a specific element is present in this set or not. Then what is map? A map contains value on the basis of key and value pair. Each key and value pair is known as an entry. A maps contains unique keys. A map is useful if you have to search, update or delete elements on the basis of a key. Then Java map hierarchy. Two interfaces for implementing map in Java, map and sorted map, and three classes, hash map, linked hash map and tree map. A map doesn't allow duplicate keys, but you can have duplicate values. Hash map and linked hash map allow null keys and values, but tree map doesn't allow any null key or value. Then hash map. Hash map is a part of Java collection since it provides the basic implementation of the map interface of Java. It stores the data in key value pairs. To access a value, one must know its key. The class uses a technique called hashing. Hashing is a technique of converting a large string to a small string that represents the same string. A shorter value helps in indexing the faster searches. Let's see how to. Then linked hash map. Linked hash map is just like hash map with the additional feature of maintaining an order of elements inserted into it. Hash map provided the advantage of quick insertion, search and deletion, but it never. Then third is tree map. The tree map in Java is used to implement the map interface and navigable map along with the abstract class. The map is sorted according to the natural ordering of its key or by a comparator provided at map creation time, depending on which constructor is used. This proves to be an efficient way of sorting and storing the key value pairs. The sorting order maintained by the tree map must be consistent with equals just like any other sorted map, irrespective of the explicit comparators. Then that's all about the collection. set map and list